In this video, I'll show you how I'll reuse this piece of wood to create a unique item, which you can replicate to gift someone or sell and make money from it. Hello, I'm Allison. Welcome to another video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming creations. The wood that will be used is cedar. It measures approximately 1 meter and 10 centimeters in length by 24 centimeters in width. I made a cut on one side to even the board, as it had different widths at both ends. Then, I set the guide to 18 centimeters from the saw blade to make a new cut at this measurement. I left it at 23 millimeters thick. A part will be cut from here, 50 centimeters in length. Remember, both ends should be cut square. This one is off, so I'll need to adjust it. Perfect. I'll remove the part with nail marks and cut a new piece at 23 centimeters. "15 centimeters. A part will be cut from here at 18. 2 centimeters. Next, marks will be made on the larger piece. I positioned it at 8 centimeters on the combination square to mark like this. On both sides. I changed it to 12 millimeters and will mark like this. I changed it again, now to 25 millimeters or 2.5 centimeters, and I'll mark one of the ends, roughly at the center. The router with a 12 millimeter dovetail bit and an extended lateral guide will be used to make a joint in the center of the piece. From here to the 2.5 centimeter mark I made, the depth will be 12 millimeters and the width will be 20 millimeters. On the next pass, I'll adjust the guide so the bit cuts all the way to this corner. The next step is to make a joint on this piece so that it can fit here. For that, I'll use the router with the same bit and this jig, which is already set up to cut with the necessary measurements. You need jigs for the router. Click the first link in the description to see amazing models that will make your work easier. Here, I will make 2 cuts, leaving it with a final width of 7 centimeters, so that it captures both shades of the wood. After making the last cut, I adjusted the joints using 220 grit sandpaper. After sanding, I cleaned the dust using a sponge and a little natural mineral oil. The intention is for the pieces to fit very well together, like this, and for this one to slide. Now I'm going to position it at the limit and take this measurement. It's 27 millimeters. Now I will make an angled cut in this direction. I cut this wood at a 45-degree angle. Now I'm going to support the piece, like this. Here I will leave the measurement at 25 millimeters. I adjusted the saw angle to 25 degrees. Now I will secure the 2 pieces to prevent any accidents. With them well supported, I can tighten it now. It's tightly secured, so I can make the cut now. I will use the part that was cut to mark the other one. Here, a similar cut will be made. I made 3 markings. This one is right in the center, and these 2 are 2 centimeters from the sides. The opposite direction was marked with 12 millimeters on all of them. At the 3 points, I will drill using a 3 millimeter bit, and the countersink will be done with 10 millimeters. On the smaller pieces, I will mark 2 centimeters from the ends on both. I will also mark the opposite direction with 12 millimeters. Here, it will be drilled using a 2.5 millimeter bit. The countersink will be 8 millimeters. Before assembly, I will bevel the edges of this part. For this, I put the straight router bit that cuts at 45 degrees in the router. Well, the next step will be the assembly. For this, I need to make some markings on this piece. I will turn it over and mark 4 centimeters on the sides. Now I will use one of these pieces. I will place it like this. In this direction, it measures 23 millimeters. From here, I will also mark 4 centimeters. I applied a bit of glue on the opposite side of where the countersink was made. It will be positioned at the marking I made, aligning it well with the piece below. The fixation will be done with screws measuring 3 millimeters by 30. The same will be done with this one. The sequence of the assembly will go like this. I applied glue on the end, which was fitted all the way to the end. Now I will fit this part like this. Here, the last piece will be fixed. I used clamps to hold the piece in place. Now I will use a 2 millimeter drill to drill this piece, making it easier to screw. The fixation will be done with this screw, which measures 3.5 millimeters by 40. I only just realized that I made a mistake in this drilling. It shouldn't have been done right in the center, as the hole ended up exactly in the joint. It should have been done lower, more to the sides, or even left undone. In my case, I will not use this hole. To finish this, I used a 10mm dowel. Next, I will bevel all the other edges using the same bit that was used here. Wood sealer. Thinner. Explore the video description and discover tools, equipment, and resources that will make your woodworking projects easier and more refined. Well, folks, here is the finished work. It's a book holder. If you liked it, click the like button and subscribe to receive more content like this. Share your honest opinion in the comments. It is very important, and I will be happy to respond. Become a supporter of the channel and help me bring new step-by-step projects to you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.